Hello everyone, it's Alex. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. So as you guys can see, we are doing kind of like a makeup playdate with new makeup that I did get for the month of March. If you have not seen my low buy check-in for the month of March, that includes the things that I did acquire in the month of March. I will link it up in the iCard so you guys can check that out. It'll explain everything, how I acquired things, how much of my budget did I use for this past month, and what it looks like going forward. So I wanted to play with some of the things today because I'm very excited about some of the things. Just rolling up my sleeves here. I'm very excited to do it. I did most of my face with the exception of highlighter and the eyes and lips. I did not get any lip products, just a spoiler alert. So I'll just pick something that I have here, which is fine. But I wanted to use this on camera. This is the Luminizer Squad. This is something that I basically got for free, and you'll see how in my video. But this is what it looks like here. I have not used it at all, but I wanted to use it. I have been wanting to use Emma Luminizer, this one right here, but let me see what the palette that I'm going to use today, because today I'm also going to use the new BH Cosmetic ItsMyRayeRaye palette. This is what the palette looks like here. So I don't know what I'm doing. Let me see. Should I play it safe or not? You know what? I'm gonna go with Penny Luminizer, which is this one. I have not used that one or really seen it on camera anywhere, so I'm gonna play with it. We're gonna put this on our cheeks to see how this goes. It's actually really pretty. Wow, that is very yellow. It's definitely very yellow. I would not recommend that shade for anybody who has fair, and even I have to really buff this in. There we go. You gotta buff this sucker in. This is more yellow based than Mary. Mary's more champagne, but if you buff this one in, it's actually nice. I don't think fair skin, porcelain skin would like this one because then you really see a yellow streak on your face. Just letting you guys know, but it does, you could see that highlight. Whoa. It's very highlighty, which is nice. I think that color will look very nice in the summer for me. So I'll let you guys know. I'm pretty sure it's the same formula as the Mary Luminizer. So if you like the Mary Luminizer, you're probably gonna like the formula of that. All right, so now on to the eyes. I have no idea what I wanna do. Maybe we'll do a yellow burgundy look. I think that sounds like a fun one. All right, so I'm going to start out with this shade. Are they named? Yes. This one's called Brick, which is right here. We're going to start out with that shade there. I have not tried this. I don't know if this formula is any different from any other BH Cosmetics one. Ooh, that's pretty. I've not started with a warm transition shade in so long. Wow, that's really pretty. Well, they are pigmented. This is a matte. It's actually not bad. It's really, really pretty. But I'm pretty sure you have this color somewhere in your collection. I'm trying to help out those that are on a low buy and like this palette. This is a dupable shade completely. I can almost guarantee you have it in some sort of either a single or in a palette form. You got this one. It looks like a color that you would find in a Too Faced palette, in a Makeup Geek single. Yeah, you definitely have this shade. This is not unique. Well, no color really is unique anymore. All right, so I like it. Now I'm gonna go in with the color Flare, which is this one right here. It's a matte burgundy brown. And we're gonna put that in our outer V and bring it into our crease. I have no clue what lip I'm gonna use now that I think about it. This one's also really nice. They are blending really nice and they are playing nicely together. I see no patchiness. I can already tell you that BH Cosmetics shadows for the most part do fade on me, but I have very oily lids, so if you don't have oily lids, you'll probably be fine. And I do double prime my eyes. Like I put a primer and then a base just to help the shadows out. Just want to let you guys know that as well. Very pretty. Like these are easy to work with. They're not difficult to pack on and blend out. So somebody who's a beginner would like this. Somebody who wants color but not a full-on rainbow might like this as well. Because you still get your neutral shades in them. See how pretty that looks? I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Golden Girl, which is this shimmery yellow. This is a true yellow shadow. It does not give off any like dark orange yellow or goldenrod. It looks like a true yellow. And I know a few have asked me for a yellow like this, so unfortunately it's in a palette, but it is a yellow. That's pretty. And it is pigmented as well. You can see the glow on it. It's very pretty. And guys, honestly, I have very minimal fallout. Very minimal fallout. So that's good for BH. How pretty that is. Isn't this like a football color? Redskins, maybe? I don't think I've ever done a look with these shadows. Look at that. Very pretty. And they are working very nicely with brushes. I don't feel the need to have to go in, like obviously you can go in with a wet brush or dampen these up for more of a vibrant look, but even with it just being dry, it's giving off a very nice, vibrant yellow. Very pretty. I'm just gonna go back in with that burgundy called Flare and just retouching out the edges here. I'm also going to grab whatever's left over and bring this down on the lower lash line. I want it to be light. I don't want too much down there. Just bounce a little bit. Very pretty. All right, with that same brush, I just cleaned it off. I'm going to grab Canary, which is the matte yellow in here. And I'm just going to buff out a little bit of that burgundy at the bottom with a little bit of this yellow. Just to kind of play off on the top. And then retouch that flare on the outer part right here. I want the outer part to be the darkest. Dig it, you guys. All right, very nice. I really like this palette so far. As a very first time using it, I like it. Very pretty. All right, so I'm gonna do my wing liner, lashes, mascara, false lashes, and then we'll come back and you guys can see the look with the lip color that I did choose for this eye look. Alright you guys, so that is the tutorial today using these two new products. If you guys saw that haul, there is quite a few other products that I do want to try out and play around with. I'm going to continue to use these as usual, and you'll probably see these either on a favorites, a single video in their own reviews, or in a worth it or worthless. So stay tuned for that, as well as the other products that I did haul in that video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys!